Hey guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would bring it back and we would do a what's in my bag. I used to do these videos all the time, but I asked on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see, and a lot of you guys said what's in my bag, get ready with me, monthly favorites, like a bunch of like the OG videos that I would do. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show off my new bag, which also isn't necessarily new. I don't think I've shown it on YouTube, so it's new. It's my new Birkin. I don't know the exact color of it. It just kind of reminds me of like a whale blue. And there's silver hardware. I believe it's a 25 Hermes or 30. Not sure. The Hermes community is totally gonna come for me, but she is gorgeous. Like, girl. Hello. So sorry if the background's a little bit messy. This is literally just how I stack my handbags. I just like shove them all in, which is not cute because this one, especially, this one's a one of one Gucci bag. She's just shoved in there. Oh, she's pissed. So I have no idea where to start because this bag holds so much stuff. I guess we will start with my makeup bag. This is my Juicy makeup bag. It's velour, just like the tracksuits. I feel like I always just travel with like everything I could need, plus extra lip glosses, extra powder, extra brushes that like my friends could need. Like if we're out and they're like, oh my God, do you have like a blush? I'm like, I do, because it's in here. Obviously, I have my Studio Fix foundation powder. I have it in NW15 for like the light areas and C6 for everywhere else. These two never leave my side. It's actually insane because I feel like I'm not even a human without them. Oh, my blush. Ugh, obsessed. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics blush in Peach Pop. This is like my golden shade of life. Like I could just apply this all day, every day. Okay, so I don't know why this is in here. It's Milk of Magnesia. I just started using this because I heard Cardi B's makeup artist uses this on her as primer. I feel like it just shrinks all the pores, mattifies everything, and makes your makeup just really last and look so good. But I don't know why it's here. We'll just put that back. Okay, so these are such an oh my God celebrity product. I know tons of people are coming out with like skincare lines, beauty lines, whatever, and it seems like ingenuine, but Gwen Stefani, all of her stuff is so good. I could literally vomit. I'm very fair, so I don't really have very much pigment in my lips, so I'm always trying to tint them, or I want like a lip plumper, which also is in her line. There's like a lip plumping balm. So tingly. If you're into like a lip plumping effect, get into the Gwen Stefani line because the lip balms are fucked. This lip gloss is so good. I don't go anywhere without it. She sent it to me and I was like, oh my God, here we go. Usually when I go to the gym, I'll always put like a tinted moisturizer on or a sunscreen or something, or like a tinted lip balm or tinted lip blush or something like that. I tried this one day and it stayed on. And I just hate looking at myself after doing like a set of something at the gym, looking in the mirror and being like, I look scary. Like, did the police need to be called? Is this Reno 911? All right, enough with makeup. What are these doing in here? Oh my God. My old breast implants. These are my first breast implants ever. I must have just shown these to a friend and kept them in here. Whoa, they're heavy. 425 cc's, moderate profile. They feel good. They haven't burst yet. Should I try to burst them with my nails? Indestructible. Okay, a bunch of American bills. Disgusting. Oh, a bunch of kunas. Am I rich in Croatia? I'm gonna have to count this later. So in California, you get like a real ID, it's called. It's not a driver's license or like a passport or anything like that. It's just literally like verifying who you are as a human being. And clearly I was so happy to do so. Look how happy I look. God, Birkins just hold so much. Oh my God. I just ripped this off the zipper. Did my husband give me a fake bag? Ah! Okay, I guess I just put that back in the bag. Okay, what's next? Speaking of my husband, he has a few of his favorite candy pops here. Oh, I don't really know all the flavors or anything, but he just tells me to keep them with us when we're traveling and stuff, just so I can have his favorite candy on hand. Of course, my vlogging camera, super light, and the screen goes up like that. You can see yourself while you're filming. What else? I was very constipated for 2.5 weeks, and the only thing that fixed me was this Fleet enema. So I decided to just keep one in my purse at all times. I don't know what is in here. It's like a saline solution or something, but like, girl, it got me good. So thank you, Fleet, but embarrassing. Of course, gotta stay hydrated with Essentia. It's my favorite water ever. I just love the look of it, and also I feel like it's like the best water. What's your favorite water also? Comment down below. Okay, so one thing about me is wherever I go, I need to make this scent really nice. I'm obsessed with like room scents. Like, I'll check into a hotel, and if I don't like the scent, I'll light up my own candle. So I travel with my own personal candle. This one is from Voyage AC. Ugh, and it smells so good. I just did that like you guys could smell it. It just smells like rose, luxury, and like expensive. This like matte finish is just so beautiful. Like, I just need to have this in my purse at all times. Ah, it's so good. Also, something I travel with all the time is this amber scent ball. I don't know the brand or anything behind. Oh, Que Santa. And it's stuffed at the bottom, and it's like a wooden ball that you just like place on the surface, and it fills the room, bitch. It smells so good. It's like Abercrombie & Fitch Fierce, okay, as the base smell, with like tons of amber and wood. It smells like a boy, like a man's fragrance, which I love. Like, I love wearing men's fragrances, but I even more so love when like my purse smells like that. So I'll just keep this in here, but there's like a bunch of holes in it. All of the scents just really like radiate through that. So I'll just keep this in my purse, so me and my purse will smell gorgeous. Speaking of scents, I keep this. Oh, this is the Diptyque Advent Calendar. There's like Aquarius, Taurus, all over it. Pisces, Libra, I see. It's all filled with candles. Everyone in LA is so obsessed with like horoscopes and signs and all that. I like to keep this in my purse just to make sure that whatever sign I'm hanging out with, I have a candle for them. Thank you, Diptyque, for making my LA life a lot easier, because people are crazy. I've got some sunglasses in here. Oh, I haven't seen these in a minute. Not very UV friendly, but cute. Oh, obviously a tripod if I ever want to film TikToks or videos wherever. Who put these in here with a lighter? Not mine. Oh, a razor, just in case. A hairbrush, of course. This is the Tangle Teaser. And I like that this is small, so it fits in with all of my other stuff that I've showed you. Some gum, which is empty. I love this gum. Like, hey Mentos, what's up? Sponsor me, because I'm obsessed. When you chew this gum, it makes your mouth so juicy for like a minute. If you guys do sponsor me, it makes it very long. Juicy mouth for hours. Oh, girl. I will not leave the house without my Gorilla Glue. I don't know if it's me or just anyone else, but like, I got Gel X manicure. I've had girls put like a shit ton of Gel X on my nails, so much so that it's like coming under the nail, but I will still break them. So I gotta have my Gorilla Glue just in case one pops off, and I need to glue it back on and have it stay until my next appointment. And I've had people be like, oh my God, you use Gorilla Glue on your nails? Yeah, 9 nails out of 10 looking like this? Unacceptable. I'll use cement. I don't care. My wallet, this little Alexander McQueen wallet. Oh, I got some Canadian money too. Look at me. Traveled. Croatia, USA, Canada. But yeah, I kind of like my wallet being this little. I think it's cute. Okay, I think I've shared enough. My Birkin is almost empty. There's some random shit in here, but it's like all random lip glosses and like my passport and stuff. Like, you don't need to see that. I've given you the bulk. Thank you for watching What's in My Birkin. Let me know if you guys like this video, and until I see you guys next time, stay gorgeous.